to my channel. It is your girl Chanté, and if you are new here, please be sure to subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell to follow so you are updated when I post new videos weekly. In this video, I'm bringing to you this look that I was rocking for my birthday soiree. If you're interested to see how I achieved this look, you better keep on watching. Let's get right into it. I am going to be 26 years old this year, and yeah, I had a little party at my casa, and now I'm here with you. So, what we're gonna start with is primer, and I have, this is like my favorite primer right now, and this right here is for you, Giselle. This is a moisturizing primer, but I really just use it as moisturizer. Primer that I'm really loving lately is this Milk Hydro. I only have the little one, but this, I don't put makeup on daily. This has lasted me like 6 months so far. And then I just go in for the kill with my foundation. And the one that I love is my Dior Face and Body, Backstage Face and Body. And, ugh, it's like popping it. I don't know what's the deal here. It's very buildable in my opinion. It's like very rare that like I'll see a shade that I'm like, oh yeah, that's me. Once I finish doing what I do, it ends up being okay. I just build upon it until I've got the amount of coverage that I need. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced concealer. And my mouth is looking a little dark today. So I used to do this all over my face with the lighter concealer, but the one that I use, the Juvia's Place, is really, really light. So we'll just keep that to under my... Okay, someone is screaming outside. And I really love this, like... See how that? Real flat. Unlike my beauty bakeries that are round all around, all around, all around, this is like perfect because it can get to where you want it to go to. Some really pretty whites. So now when I go in with the Juvia's Place, I just dot this one, and then I like to hit it right there. And I use the same blending brush because I want the other shades to fill this in so it's not so harsh of a color. Now I'm gonna go in and set. Now you guys see me do a review on this before. This is the Mented powder. I've since used it since my first impression video of me testing it out, and I don't hate it. I still wish it was a little bit, the color was, like there was an in-between that was a little bit darker, more yellow. Like, this is definitely yellow, but this is like, I need like a sunflower yellow, like the Sashka. But you know, this one wasn't terrible. It isn't terrible. And you will see at the end of this video what I'm talking about. I mean, you guys seen me do it on the other video where I compared the Sashka to the Mented, and they look great. Yesterday I had this on, and I think I was like baking for 20 minutes, and it was still great. So great. Like, I thought it looked nice or whatever. And then first I'm gonna stack my flow, and then what? Then I'm gonna stack some more. And then what? So then I'm gonna go in with these Fenty. I just like to use this Fented, I call it the stippling brush, because I really like the way it moves this. And this is what I did yesterday, and it looked bomb. So you do this, and then the hairline is always a little bit more work to get the color to move and groove how you want it to. But just be patient, keep on smoothing her in, It's a creamy consistency, so should work soon enough. So what do you guys like to do for your birthdays? What are some makeup ideas that you have? What are some themes you do for your birthday parties? Because it's always like, I'm always like, blah. I think this is the first time I've actually ever thrown myself a party for my birthday. I didn't want to have a sweet 16, but my mom made me have one. I wanted to go to Tokyo, and she told me no. Oh, you had to have a sweet 16 because she didn't have a sweet 16, and that wasn't fair. It was low-key lit. I had my sweet 16 at an aquarium. And it's a funny story behind that as well, because I thought I had seen a picture in a magazine, and there were whales on the picture, and the whales were underwater, and there was a table in the picture, a bunch of tables, made it look like an underwater dining hall, if you will. So I was excited. I was gonna have an epic sweet 16. When I got there, it was not an underwater dining hall. It was a painting on the damn wall. I was bamboozled. But at that point, I was already sold because it was still lit. Do say, if you're having a party or something, like, a lot of the times it becomes about the guest and not you. You're worried about taking pictures. Like, I ate nothing that night. Nothing. Probably nothing that day either. It was a very, very long day for me. Very, very long. And did I choose this life? I think no. No, you know. But life, it is what it is. And I had to deal. Going in with my A1J1. My micro smooth, because everybody needs a little bit of micro smooth. Micro smooth. I don't know what it is about this micro smooth, but it just does what it needs to. An extra layer of Zion. I'm going to do my eyes first. And I wiped away that powder. So let's put some more on. Because now that we're micro smoothed out, we're going to be lit. Okay, so today, to go play on the outfit, we're going to use Suprema. I think every time I use this palette, when I don't prime my eye outside of whatever is on my eye from my makeup foundation. What brush is this? This brush is hurting my eye. And this is Suprema. And it looks really light so far, but watch how much it builds up. Just continue to pack this on, and as you can see, it's just building up. And it's gonna become more and more as I continue to play with this. Just need her to respectfully show up as she is doing. And then I will pack her on just to the lid. I'm gonna just spend some time blending. They're blended. This one could be just a little bit higher. Go in with trust issues. And pack her right on in the middle. Such a pretty color. This trust issues is so pretty. And it's so, like, it comes up so different for me every time. And whatever color I'm mixing it with. I really love that. Dust her off again. Dust herself off and try again, try again. And again, that was using my favorite palette, which is the Jackie Aina times Anastasia palette. And I take that Suprema and I blend her out. I went in with my mascaras. So far I have these two on. I usually use 3 mascaras, I'm not gonna lie. A lot of people go in with their falsies, but since I'm not there yet, we're gonna go just to go what we know. Final mascara, and I really like using this one now to finish her off, and I will show you why. Because look at her. See how small the bristles are? Really great for just straightening out the lashes, extending them, getting rid of any clumps, or in this case, a hair that just wants to stand straight up. And I really love this. I'm gonna go in with my blush, and this is something that I like to do in this order. I'll go in with the brush with this complexion brush here. It's so interesting how each layer builds upon on the face. And then this is another thing I got sent in the mail, and this is Benefit, and this is their Go-Go tint. It looks like a little nail polish, so I just put 1, 2, 3 each time I do this. 3 little dots. Ooh, that one was kind of big. I try to keep them really small, and then I just, again, use this brush and circle it out. Then I go in with my Mented ABF palette, and this is season 2. So then I will take this and just go dab a little bit with this brush and just go under lightly, just to bronze her up a little more. Hit the chin and top of the face. And then I will take the same brush and just rub it against the highlight and pat hair on my cheek. Going in with my Mented Night. Nice brown shade. Brownies for my brownies. Brownie for my brownie. Okay. So I'm going to come back with my finished outfit and whatever. Fix my hair and all that. And I'll see you guys soon. Okay guys, so this is the final look. As you saw in the beginning of the video, this is my little outfit. I got this top and this bralette from Bad Girl Boulevard, and it also comes with I also ordered the duster and the pants with the same feather look at the bottom. This look was super easy, like most things that I create, super easy to achieve, and I love it. I put on my little wig, not my wig, my ponytail, and I'm looking like Bad Girl Boulevard. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope it was super easy. I hope that you can recreate it using this Jackie Aina palette and most of the products that I use here today. And I hope that inspires you to do something fun and cute, low-key for your birthday. So I wish everybody whose birthday is in the month of December, there's so many of my family members, a happy birthday. And I hope you guys have an amazing Christmas holiday with your familias. Bye!